I had a crush on this one girl, and she had told my friend that, "Yuck, him, he looks like a monkey." I'm telling you, if I get nominated for this thing na, for Oscars na,
मैं कुछ बोलूँ
I'll call SRK also and tell him, bro.
Is the time for the hamper, okay? So brace yourselves because I'm going to get into a game with you two, and whoever performs very well obviously is going to be in the hamper.
Don't give
Do
no
this.
that's pressure, man.
Let's do
You
this.
want the hamper.
Jesse has come for that.
You're
only.
going down, Surbhi. You're
Jesse
going
has come for that only.
Competition.
हाँ, चलो.
Because he asked me about the hamper, अब मैं तुझे hamper के लिए chance दे रही
I
हूँ,
have
okay?
butterflies in the tummy.
Oh guys,
Chalo.
give me
See,
your best.
I'll tell you one thing. If I win, I'm great. If I don't win, I lost it for her.
Oh, how gracious.
Just
yeah?
to make it clear.
How
I
gracious.
swear.
So nice of you, huh, darling?
Well, so
Kutta.
anyways, let me get into the game. I'm going to give you guys some Hindi dialogues, but you guys have to perform it in different emotions, okay? So, like love, lust, anger, shock, laughter,
Okay.
like that. So, and obviously, as I said, the best performer wins.
Okay.
So, are you guys ready?
Ready?
Who should I start with?
KJ?
Even he
Ladies
pointed at
first.
you.
KJ wanted,
Ladies
he
first.
wants the hamper so
Best actress,
desperately.
yeah.
na?
Best
Best
actress
actress.
after.
There's
Are you making fun of me?
No, I'm
After
saying
such
best
a
actor.
long wait?
It sounded so sarcastic.
After.
dude.
Huh, see?
So it has to start with her.
No, he meant it. Yeah, he said,
Yeah, of
"Sweet
course I meant
boy."
it.
Of
So
course
then,
he is,
sorry.
yeah, big, very big
You
heart.
are carrying the pressure of the best actress, so you should start it.
They very, she's also favoring you. Vamp, you're so clever, na? So clever. देख लड़की दोस्त रही नहीं अब मेरी. चलो.
Maybe मैं तुझे chance दे रही हूँ so that you win.
Okay, darling. Come.
Exactly.
Very clever.
Even I'm a
You need
dual
to set the
personality.
bar. You need to set the bar.
Dual दोनों ही.
चल, ये मेरे से
So-
hints लेगा, मुझे मालूम है.
Okay,
शाना.
baby.
Okay.
So your dialogue is, ये जिस्म प्यार करना नहीं जानता, ये जानता है सिर्फ भूख, जिस्म की भूख.
Okay. तो what is the first
So I'll
emotion?
tell you the emotions. Love.
Okay. Love. ये जिस्म प्यार करना नहीं जानता. जानता तो है जिस्म की भूख. जानता है तो सिर्फ जिस्म की भूख. जिस्म की भूख.
Oh my God.
Too much love.
More than emotions. Anger.
ये जिस्म प्यार करना नहीं जानता. जानता है तो सिर्फ जिस्म की भूख. जिस्म की भूख.
Shock.
जिस्म प्यार करना नहीं जानता. जानता है तो जिस्म की भूख. जिस्म की भूख.
Next was laughter only.
अभी लाफ्टर है ना. ये जिस्म प्यार करना नहीं जानता. जानता है तो सिर्फ जिस्म की भूख. सिर्फ भूख.
Fear.
ये जिस्म प्यार करना नहीं जानता. जानता है तो सिर्फ जिस्म की भूख. जिस्म की भूख.
Yay!
ऐसे थोड़ी ना बेस्ट एक्ट्रेस.
Indeed.
अच्छा.
अरे तेरी मेरी मुखी बात छीन ली. Indeed, best actress.
Oh.
Abja.
अच्छा.
Now it's your turn, darling,
Oof.
to prove yourself. Anyway, you also won an award this year, right?
Of course, best
Yeah.
बेटा. अब ये तो चीप वाली चीजें नहीं कर सकता. लस्ट नहीं कर सकता. लव नहीं कर सकता.
मैं सब कर सकता हूँ. तुम बस बताओ.
ओहो, रेडी.
Okay. कुंदन के पजामे का नाड़ा इतना ढीला नहीं है जो तेरे ब्लाउज के दो हुक पे खुल जाए.
कुंदन के पजामे का
नाड़ा इतना ढीला नहीं
इतना
है
ढीला नहीं है
जो तेरे ब्लाउज के दो हुक पे खुल जाए.
सर मैंने
जो
ब्लाउज नहीं
तेरे
पहना.
ब्लाउज के 2 हुक पे खुल जाए.
Yeah.
यार ये सच अ
Cheap?
टंग ट्विस्टर. नो फॉरगेट दैट. कुंदन के
Cheap तो इन्होंने even-
कुंदन के पजामे का नाड़ा इतना भी ढीला नहीं है कि तेरे
ब्लाउज
ब्लाउज
के
के
दो
2
हुक पे खुल जाए. You know the meaning, na? So, are you ready?
Yeah, this is tough. Huh?
हाँ, this is tough.
Lust.
कुंदन के पजामे का नाड़ा इतना भी ढीला नहीं है कि तेरे ब्लाउज के 2 हुक पे खुल जाए.
मैंने ब्लाउज नहीं पहना.
Anger.
कुंदन के पजामे का नाड़ा इतना ढीला नहीं है कि तेरे ब्लाउज के 2 हुक पे खुल जाए. चल.
हाय हाय laughter.
कुंदन के पजामे का नाड़ा इतना ढीला नहीं है कि तेरे ब्लाउज के दो हुक पे खुल जाए.
Disgust.
कुंदन के नाड़े कुंदन I told you the dial. Ready?
कुंदन के
पजामे का नाड़ा. कुंदन के पजामे का नाड़ा इतना भी ढीला नहीं है कि तेरे ब्लाउज के हुक से खुल जाए.
Fear.
को बहन, कुंदन के पजामे का नाड़ा इतना भी ढीला नहीं है कि तेरे तेरे ब्लाउज के दो हुक से खुल जाए. प्लीज चाहिए.
Ay, hi. Wow, wow, wow.
Very nice.
Indeed, both of you are great actors. Wow, it's a tough
Both are great
competition.
actors.
Great actors.
Great actors.
Great, I heard get.
I never said gay actors. You both
I
are
know.
great
Great
actors. Too good, too good. But it's a tough competition because I need to decide with the hamper. So I'm going to give you all more chances.
Okay.
Superb. Looking
Okay,
forward.
baby.
Okay.
Are you ready?
Ready.
होली खेलने का शौक है पर तेरी पिचकारी में दम नहीं.
अच्छा, so what emotion do you want me to pick?
Love.
और चिपकने के
चांस
सारे
पे
मौके.
डांस, चांस पे डांस.
भाभी.
देवर जी,
हाँ जी.
होली खेलने का शौक है, लेकिन तेरी पिचकारी में इतना दम नहीं है.
आजमा के देख ले.
Anger.
होली खेलने का बड़ा शौक है, लेकिन तेरी पिचकारी में दम नहीं है. जाके चेक करा.
इसे आजमा के देख ले, इसे जाके चेक करा. शॉक.
देखो, होली खेलने का शौक है, पिचकारी में तो दम है नहीं तेरी.
This is laughter.
The line is such a funny line.
Okay, laughter, laughter.
होली खेल
होली इधर से.
होली खेलने
मतलब मेरी पिचकारी तो छोड़ो, तुम्हारे मुंह की पिचकारी तो कहीं और ही जा रही है. पान लाओ पान.
होली खेलने का शौक है, लेकिन पिचकारी में तो दम है नहीं.
है बहुत है.
हिंदी पिचकारी.
Disgust.
होली खेलने का शौक है नहीं, लेकिन पिचकारी में दम है नहीं. चेक करवा ले सच्ची में अब तो.
Fear.
But we played all these emotions. You're giving me the hamper. Just tell me what.
No, the emotions
No,
are the
emotions
same.
are same. The dialogues are different.
होली खेलने का शौक है, लेकिन तेरी पिचकारी में दम नहीं है.
तो फट क्यों रही है?
आजमा ले.
Oh my god, it's getting very tough, guys. So I'm going to go in for one last one with you, Kunal. So this will, I think, decide because it's becoming very tough,
Tough,
for
no?
me.
Yeah.
So let me go with something interesting. आज की रात तरसने की नहीं, बरसने की रात है.
आज की रात तरसने की नहीं, बरसने की
Yeah.
बात है. क्या
रात है.
आज की रात तरसने की नहीं, बरसने की रात है.
बरसने की रात है. आज की रात तरसने की नहीं, बरसने की रात है.
Yeah.
Go for it.
Lust.
ओए छमिया, आज की रात तरसने की नहीं, बरसने की रात है.
Shock.
क्या बरसेगा बताना.
एक मिनट. आज की रात तरसने की नहीं, बरसने की रात है. हाँ.
Laughter.
आज की रात तरसने की नहीं, बरसने की रात है.
Seductive.
आज की रात तरसने की नहीं, बरसने की रात है.
मतलब देवर ने पूरा चांस मार लिया.
फुल चांस पे
डांस.
डांस.
एक्टिंग के लिए कभी भी कुछ भी बोल दो.
Disgust.
मोहतरमा,
हाँ.
आज की रात तरसने की नहीं, परसने की रात है.
Very nice.
Great,
Very
great. You guys have made it so tough for me. Amazing. You guys are par excellence. Now I am under.
मुझे ऐसी की फीलिंग है. Let's give it to both of you.
Are you mind reader?
Yeah.
But you know, it's very weird. But this has never happened on this show. You guys are making it very, very tough for me.
And
You
interesting.
both have been par excellence. So I have an idea.
Hey, don't leave me hanging.
Arey,
Oh, baby.
high five.
Huh.
I have an idea. Let's get into another game.
Yes.
And that game will decide who wins the hamper.
Yeah.
So there are these dares written on the chits. Each of you has to pick one, and whatever comes in the chit, the other person has to do it. Okay?
Superb.
So you will take the chit, and without seeing it, you will give it to your partner, who will do the dare. Each one of you will have to do at least 2 dares, and if you can't do any particular dare, you have to give it a miss, but you have to perform at least 2 dares. Okay?
Done.
And after this game, then I will decide the hamper. And let's see.
So
who
I
is-
pick.
And you give it to me, then I pick.
I
give
don't
it to
even
you.
read it, right?
No,
So I give it to
Yeah.
him. Okay.
Go for it.
So then let's see how adventurous you all are. Le lo aap. Here you go.
ये ले.
Break dance. Done. Dance. Ready? Surbi, ताल दे.
मैं दे रही हूँ. चल ready. शीला की जवानी. I'm too sexy for you. मैं तेरे हाथ ना आने. Oh. But nice.
Whoa.
Very nice. Good break dance.
Multi-talented. Nice. Now wait, he picks the chit, right?
sorry.
Yeah.
सब कुछ उसको ही करना है.
Act like a dog. I love this. Wait. ये कौन सी चिहुआवा है? Okay.
Oh, look. Down, boy, down,
Oh
boy.
my
Down, go,
God.
down, go. Down, go. Down.
Don't fuck my head. Okay.
Very nice.
Wow, how sporting are
Yeah,
you?
yeah. Very, very.
Chalo,
How
your turn.
sporting are you? This is too good.
Act like Romeo and Juliet. Surbi as Juliet. आजा. हिंदी वाला रोमियो के मतलब
कुणाल जयसिंह और सुरभि ऐसे बैठे बैठे.
जो
please.
भी आपको
you want
करना
me to
है.
go all Shakespeare?
भाभी जी के साथ.
Juliet, so
Definitely.
Juliet. Thy Romeo is here. तुम घबराओ मत. मुझे पता है कि सारी दुनिया हमारे खिलाफ है. तुम्हारे माँ बाप, मेरे माँ बाप, ये सारी दुनिया कभी भी हमें एक नहीं होने देंगे. लेकिन एक चीज हमेशा ध्यान रखना कि तुम मेरी हो, मैं तुम्हारा, मरते दम तक.
और आप मेरे देवर हैं और मैं आपकी भाभी.
कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता.
आपके पास घर नहीं है फिर भी मैं आपके जुल्फों में रह सकती हूँ.
कोई बात नहीं. बस यही तुम्हारी
खासियत है.
तुम्हारी ये मोहब्बत ने मुझे दीवाना बना दिया सुरभि.
पर इसमें कोई डैंड्रफ तो नहीं है. Very nice, yeah.
Steamy,
Ooh.
steamy. ये रोमियो तो बहुत ही पैशनेट है.
बहुत.
वाह वाह वाह.
देखा मैंने
वाह.
कैरेक्टर नहीं छोड़ा.
तुम लोग
इसने बहुत कोशिश की कि
कल
हैम्पर
से
जीतने
तुम
की,
लोग
तो मैंने
वापस
कैरेक्टर नहीं
वापस
छोड़ा.
सेट पे जाने वाले हो. तुम लोग वापस भाभी देवर बनने वाले हो. याद है ना?
चल.
चलो, let's dig in and give us something easy.
All right. 2 each, right? So this is the second
I've
one.
done 2. Now it's her.
Yeah.
Twinkle twinkle little star I have to sing while beatboxing. Beatboxing is this?
No, beatbox it.
That way? Okay. Ah, okay. Twinkle twinkle. Little star. थोड़ा सीढ़ी मुड़ गया.
आगे भी तो गा.
Twinkle twinkle little star. How much how you are?
Hot dog.
You both have really entertained me. You all are so sporting that you all have made it so tough for me.
सुरभि, again you're leaving me hanging.
अरे सुबह तो उसको देखती भी नहीं है यार.
ऐसा तो बिल्कुल नहीं.
तो मैं ये लास्ट टाइम ये किया वो नहीं दिया, ये किया वो बता रही है.
Sorry,
But
I want
now-
to know. I'm just getting
Now I
this.
have to come to a conclusion. Wish we had an app that eliminated the need of being adventurous. In case of a game, we can be juvenile, but not so in the case of health. Here is an app, Health for You, that keeps medical help just a few fingertips away. You know where to go and who to contact in case of an emergency. We are surely lucky to have an app like this. It's available on Android and Apple phones. and one lucky downloader gets an autographed mug by Kunal Jaising and Surbhi Channa. So I was saying, you guys have really been par excellence.
वापस जल्दी.
It was a tough competition. But one thing which really gave it away
The dog.
was her performance like a dog.
I think she deserves it.
I have to say.
Baby, can I lick you?
Yeah.
And can I lick you too?
Oh my god. That was so sporting. Hats off.
Thank
off.
you.
But also Kunal.
Oh
too
God,
good,
the beatbox.
Oh my god, and the Romeo.
शोबीज का वापिस का नेक्स्ट गाना बनाने वाले कुणाल जैसिंग शोबीज वाप.
And the Romeo performance.
Oh my
everything.
God, too intense.
Too good, Surbhi. I have something for you. Well,
Wow, looks so
Yoga mat.
interesting. Yeah.
wishing you a good health and a good life.
How sweet.
I
Baby, we
hope
can
you
share
like
this
it.
money.
No, it's cool, baby.
Eventually, आप लोग एक ही set पे काम करते हो.
हाँ, वही.
I hope you like it. I think you're gonna enjoy the
I'm going to
goodies.
love it.
I want to see what it is. Oh, wow. Superb.
Yeah.
Sorry, Kunal.
Nah, it's okay.
Some other season. But anyways, like since I've given you this wonderful hamper, I'd like to ask you guys, what is your health culture?
So my health culture is that I eat on time. I don't cheat beyond 7, which is like a secret. Really works wonders since मैं नकली पंजाबी हूँ पंजाबी भले ब्लड से, लेकिन हम लोग रात को अगर कुछ खा भी लेंगे तो सुबह ऐसे दिखते हैं. So I avoid eating beyond 7. That's my health culture, and I try to do Zumba whenever possible. Yeah.
That's lovely. And yours, what's your health culture?
Nothing, man. I eat.
He
I
loves
just
eating.
eat.
You've told me this before, right?
I just eat.
No, but
But
also
there
I
must be
think he
something that you
jogs.
do, right,
Yeah.
for your health.
Yeah,
I'm
I
sure.
do. I jog, I cycle. So these two things I love doing, so I keep doing that.
Also he controls his food because मैंने देखा है.
But you all are giving opposite answers.
No. So
किनुआ
what I-
खाता है यार lunch
So
में.
what I do, I don't have one day as a cheat day. I have one small meal here and there as a cheat meal, and then throughout the day I compensate for it.
Okay, great. One more last question to both of you. Can you live without your smartphone? What is the longest time you can survive without it? And if it's gone, what would you miss the most about your smartphone?
KJ cannot because he's a gadget freak.
She did what?
KJ will answer for me also. I've answered for him. We've been such great partners on this show. KJ cannot live without
I
his
think
phone.
she can survive one day without a phone, but me, if I gets lost, I won't miss anything because everything is backed up pretty well.
He is so clever.
So I just need to get the
Your
new
gadget.
one.
Yeah, that's it. He is
Alright.
so, like, what do you call, वो जो बहुत smart होते हैं ये सारी चीजें करने के लिए, उनको इंग्लिश में टर्म क्या होता है?
Nerd.
Shut up. You calling yourself not?
Techno savvy.
हाँ, tech savvy that he's
Tech
so backed up. और सिंधी दिमाग है ना, सब कुछ prim and proper रहता है. सब कुछ prim and proper रहता है.
Absolutely.
I
No
What about
offense to Sindhis, please.
You can live without your smartphone.
I think I
You know,
can
we are
survive.
Sindhis are so much now that your 900k followers will become 9k followers.
No, but I love Sindhis. My Sindhi curry is my favorite, and from KJ's house, Sindhi curry तो इतनी स्वाद आती है. Anyhow, I can survive. I think a day or so. But yeah, I am not so tech savvy, so मैं नहीं save करती, backup नहीं करती हूँ.
Okay.
But yeah, I can live without it.
So that calls for a centric selfie moment. Let's get some
Yay!
selfies. Yay!
Phone is fab, yeah.
Awesome clarity, isn't it?
Yeah.
Well, anyways, sadly, now we've come to the end of the show. And I think I just can't wait for this episode to air.
I know.
I've had
Same here.
I
such
know.
a crazy time. You guys just dropped your inhibitions. You all have been great.
That's what I'm saying. I think I've never been so, candid. So I might face some hatred, but I hope it's more love than hatred.
Who can eat you? You've
Exactly.
been so cool on this
So
show.
diplomatic.
Hey!
I hope you guys enjoyed.
I had a
I
blast.
loved it. I told
Blast.
you I had to skip my London trip for this.
Oh my god,
So
I'm
you
honored.
know, yeah.
I'm
And I've
honored.
had a great time, Babs.
Thank you, baby.
Thank
I
you so much
really-
for having us.
Yes.
And before you guys go, one more thing I have to all. Well, this is a 1-year organic supply from the Bombay Natural Company.
Wow, how
Wow.
cool is that, yeah?
Yes, I
You
hope
know,
you guys like it.
I'm a big fan of organic food, so all my food items at home, at least as far as possible, I only pick up
Yay!
organic.
So he's going to cook for us, Surbhi.
Yes,
He's going to cook a meal
definitely.
for us. Looking forward.
Super.
Okay, lovely. But I'm very happy with this, yeah, because it's just the right time. हम diet कर रहे हैं, TV show on है, पतला लगना है. Organic food will help. Thank you, Bombay Natural Company and Babs.
Thank you. Thank you so much, guys.
Babs, thank you for having us.
My God, what an entertaining evening.
I
Which
know, I
will
know.
stay for alive. Oh, thank you so much.
Thank you.
मैं ये थोड़ी लेके
चलो आप मेरे पीछे पीछे आओ.
Bye.
Bye bye. Bye bye.
Hungry? Anywhere, anytime? Download Box 8. Order